In this video, I want to share how you can create a full-time income working from home in just 30 minutes per day. This may be your fastest, easiest way yet to an amazing income. You can do this simple side hustle from anywhere you want to be without building a website, without having any previous skills. Almost anyone can do it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been creating an income from home for over 30 years now. I haven't worked a real full-time job in more than 20 years. Stick with me, and I'll share exactly what I do and how you can do the same. I'm looking for a small group of people that I can help reach a $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less. So if you are serious about making more money faster, this video is for you. And before we get going, I want to ask you to do me a big favor. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. And right up front, I want to make one thing clear. This is not just about making money. It's about creating time freedom too. And that's the thing I like most about making money online, working from home. For years, I've known and I've taught that it really doesn't matter how much money you make if you don't have the freedom, the time freedom to enjoy it too. I sail most days in the summer and I ski most days in the winter. While most people are busy at their jobs, I love time freedom. If you've looked at or maybe tried one or more of the so-called side hustles that you see advertised, you've probably noticed several things. First, in most of them, you really end up just trading your time for money. The only way you can make more money is to put in more time. It's almost like taking on another full-time job. There is no leverage. You definitely cannot create time freedom. But secondly, and more importantly, the money you make rarely turns out to be what you expected. And I've lost track of how many people I've met who even end up spending more money than they make in an online or home-based business. It happens all too often. Well, I'm convinced that there is no better way to create both time and money freedom than what I do. It's a simple business model called affiliate marketing. And this is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. I love it. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years. But here's the thing. The business I'm building is not your typical affiliate marketing opportunity. Unlike too many affiliate offers, mine is based on a high demand, top quality product, but at a price far less than competitive products. And it pays out significant commissions and long-term recurring income too. And I love getting paid fast by direct deposit. See, most affiliate marketing offers pay out small one-time commissions. And that means you would have to sell a volume of whatever the product is every single day to make real money. Most people can't do that, especially brand new marketers without a list, without a following. Well, my company pays out 80% commissions, and that can add up fast. It's one of the largest affiliate marketing commissions I know of. And that's one of the real keys to creating a full-time income. You must have the right pay plan. And on top of that, I earn big passive income too. With the recurring income they pay, I can make money months from now from each sale I make today. And I know one of the first questions many people ask is it expensive? And the answer is no, it's very low cost. And because of the 80% commissions, with only 2 sales, you can be in profit. I've found many people make money their very first day thanks to our simple yet powerful online marketing system and the best training in the industry. We teach you how to do this in minimal time from anywhere in the world on your own schedule. Again, it only takes about 30 minutes per day. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will be able to reach out to me at any time by email, text, or my cell. I encourage you to take advantage of my years of experience. I'll share everything that's working so well for us and our team, and how it can do the same for you too. Creating a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day can be far easier than you think. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.